I would like to speak about Tamil Ishai, which I mentioned earlier in another module, just briefly, because one needs a lot of time to go through all the matter about Tamil Ishai. But let us just start with Tevarams. See, the Tevarams, 6th and 7th century, the Tevarams were composed. Appar, Sundarar, Tirunjana Sambandar, and later came Manikavajak. And believe it or not, these Tevarams were written on palm leaves, but they were hidden from the world. Where were they? They were in the Chidambaram temple in a special room, locked away, and in fact, the palm leaves were deteriorating. But as luck would have it, it was King Rajaraja Cholan who discovered the Tevarams, and he took them to Tanjavur, and then he distributed it everywhere so that all Shaivite temples should have the Oduvars singing the Tevaram. I'll just give you a sample of Tirunjana Sambandar's Tevaram, the famous one, Todudaya. It was his first composition when he was only 3 years old. And it was a gift from Parvati. Umayammai. Parvati blessed him with the wonderful gift of composition. And he also lived for a very young age. Maybe he was 16 or 17. He passed away, one of the greatest saints of Tamil Ishai. All religious outpourings and philosophy in Tamil, and mainly about his Ishtadevata, Shiva. ஓடுடைய செபியார் விடையேறியோர் பூவெண்மதி சூடி ஓடுடைய செபியார் விடையேறியோர் பூவெண்மதி சூடி காடுடைய சுடலை பொடி பூசியல் உள்ளம் கவர் கள்வர் காடுடைய சுடலை பொடி பூசி என் உள்ளம் கவர் கள்வர். Then it goes like this. ஏடுடைய மலரானுனை நாட்பணிந்தேத அருள் செய்த பீடுடைய பிரமா புறமேவிய பெம்மானிவனல் ரே. So that is a sample of the Tevaram. Now we can take one Tiruppugal. Tiruppugals were composed by Arunagirinatha, and they were centered on Muruga or the son of Shiva. And one very important aspect of Arunagirinatha's Tiruppugal is they are all in chandams. What are chandams? Meters. Different talas in different meters of chandas, but the words themselves give the talams. It is not said this Tiruppugal is in Adi talam, this Tiruppugal is in Atatalam. No, it is not like that. By the words you will know the meter. For example, ஒரு பொழுது இரு சரணநேச தேவை புனதேனே ஒரு புகழு இரு சரணநேச தேவை புனதேனே புனது பழனி மலையேனு ஊரை சேவி கரியேனே. Two kandams, two, and then just like a Chatusra jumper, but it has no name. Once I also took this line as a Pallavi. I sang Trikalam in that. It is a rare talam, no name except as Chanda talam. ஒரு பொழுதும் இரு சரண தேசத்தேவை துணரேனே உனது பழனி மலையனூரை சேவித்தறியேனே. அந்த மாதிரி we can take these Tirupugars, fantastic rhythm aspects of Tirupugar and use it as Pallavis. You can even do the Trikalams when you render the Tirupugar. There is no harm in that. And also we can do Swaram C. Da 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 ni da da ni da da pa ma ga ma ga pa ma da pa ma ga ma ni da pa ma ga ma or பொழுது இரு சரண மணி da pa ma ga ri sa ni da ni sa magari sari ga ma magari sari ga ma pa da pa ma ga ma pa da ni da pa da ni sa ni la ri sa ni da pa da ni sa ri sa ni sa sa ni pa da ni ஒரு பொழுது இரு சரண. So this is an example of Tirupugar. So many are there. See, like for example, there's one famous one in Purvi Kalyani. Maru Kulaviya Malaranai Kodiyade Maru Kulaviya Malaranai Kodiyade. But that comes only actually, it is not a very complicated rhythm. So we have come now to Thevaram, Tirupugar. And what about Divya Prabadam? We covered the Shaivite verses. What about the Vaishnavite? See, all this was actually what shall we say, a tribute to Tamil music. It is even mentioned in Chilapadikaram and the other old works about Tamil puns. Tamil's puns are there, not ragams. They are known as pun, and they have different names also from the usual ragas of Carnatic music. Kaushikam pun, Nattapadai, adella the pangal, palaya pangal. Even now Tamil Visheshangam, they do the pun araichi during December season. So that's a very interesting aspect. So Tamil music was there earlier on, even earlier. So it is a very historical music and very much attached in the temples. See, in Vaishnavite temples, let's take Srirangam. What is happening there? They recite the Pasurams, Divya Prabadam or Pasurams, composed by 12 Alvars, of which one Alvar is Andal, a lady. Andal Pasuram, we always hear, isn't it? And then 4,000 in number, 4,000 Divya Prabandam. And in Srirangam and some other Vaishnavite temples, they have what is known as Arayar Sevai. That is, Arayar means they are the Bhattacharyas. And they wear a long cap and they get dressed up very beautifully with silk robes and beautiful jewelry, shining jewelry. And then they do the Arayar Sevai, a combination of Tamil chants and dance. Still, it goes on in Srirangam, I know, and maybe in some other temples also. Now, let us see a Pasuram, which I myself tuned in 4 ragas. Periyalvar Pasuram. மாணிக்கம் கட்டி வைரமீடை கட்டி ஆடி பொன்னால் செய்த வண்ண சிறு தொட்டில். குழந்தைய பத்தி. பேணி உனக்கு பிரமல் வீடு தந்தார் மாணி குரலனே தாலேலோ வையமழல்தானே தாலேலோ. Then we have எல்லம் பிரானார் எழில் திரு மார்வர்க்கு சந்தம் அழகிய தாமரை தாளார்க்கு. தாமரை தாளார்க்கு. The child is having a lotus feet, so tender. இந்திரன் தானும் எழிலுடை கிங்கிணி தந்து பூவனாய் நின்றான். தாலேலோ தாலேலோ தாமரை கண்ணனே தாலேலோ தாலேலோ. Then there is Shargil வலம் புரியும் சங்கு சக்கரம், சேவடி கிழ்கிழியும், that is the shalangai. The child is wearing the shalangai. Kinkidiyum, kinkini sound. அங்கை ஷரிவளையும் நானும் அரைக்கிஷைந்த, the beautiful, you know, they have what is known for the children, they wear the arana கயிறுன்னு சொல்வாங்க அந்த காலத்துல. அதுதான், it's the description, with those small gold beads or silver beads, with the child Krishna will wear with a lotus feet and run around. So it comes here, Shengal Karumugile, with the beautiful red eyes, Karumugile, இந்த சுருண்டு இருண்ட குழல் தாழ்ந்த முகத்தான் அப்படி வருமே ஒரு விருத்தத்துல, that is கருமுகிலே, beautiful black curly hair. தேவகி சிங்கமே தாலேலோ, தேவகி சிங்கமே. For Devaki, he is like a shingam, he is like a little lion, so brave, running around. She can't control him. Devaki shingame talelo. Let us take Muthu Tandavar briefly. A beautiful song, Aru Marundoru Tani Marundu, Mohanam. Aru Marundoru Tani Marundu Kandathil Kandene. Aru Marundoru Tani Marundu Ambaladil Kandene. Aru Marundoru Tani Marundu Ambaladil Kandene. Aru Marundoru Tani Marundu Ambaladil Kandene. திருமருந்துடன் பகமருந்து, திருமருந்துடன் பகமருந்து, தில்லை அம்பல காடு மருந்து. திருமருந்துடன் பகமருந்து, தில்லை அம்பல காடு மருந்து. திருமருந்துடன் பகமருந்து, தில்லை அம்பல காடு மருந்து. இரு வினைகள் அருகு மருந்து, ஏழு அடியார் கிரங்கு மருந்து. ஏழு அடியார் கிரங்கு மருந்து. மருந்தோரு தனி மருந்து. திருத்தி தீதி என்றாடும் மருந்து, தேவாதி மூவர்கள் காடாமருந்து. கருத்தை திருத்தி இருத்து மருந்து, கருத்தை திருத்தி இருத்து மருந்து. காலனை காலால் உதைத மருந்து, அருமருந்தோர் தனி மருந்து அம்பலத்தில் கண்டேனே அம்பலத்தில் கண்டேனே அம்பலத்தில் கண்டேனே. There is another beautiful song, Thiruvarur Ramasamy Pillai, Jagatishwari. We just see a glance of that. Ever so many composers were there. Mohana Ragam. Jagatishwari Kripai Puri Jagatishwari. In this song, there is a very beautiful Chitta Swara, Swara Sahityam actually, Swaram with Sahityam. Da pa ga ri sa ri ga, da pa ga pa ri ga ri, da pa ga pa ri ga pa da, da pa ga ri sa ri ga, da pa ga pa ri ga ri, da pa ga pa ri ga pa da, da ri sa ga ri, da pa ga ri da, sa ri ga ri sa da, ri sa ri ga da, ga ri ga da, Jagatishwari. Ga ri ga da. That's a beautiful phrase. It has not come in any swaram or in any song before and after. There is also a sahityam. Dharani tali adutare kudari sheyu tayu naivida verullada. Everything comes in da swaraksharam. Da ullada. Tamada mindri veda purida sanakarulida என்பதறிதா பெரிதா வரம் தா ஜகதீஸ்வரி. Then of course the modern composers, 20th century, Periyasamy Thuran. Before that we have Papanasham Shivan. Papanasham Shivan actually made his debut in films, strange as it may seem. My uncle, director K. Subramaniam, gave him his first chance as a film music composer and the composer of the lyrics also in one of his films. And after that, there was no looking back for Papanasham Shivan, because he became very famous in the early Tamil films with his beautiful words and the beautiful tunes, lilting. But now let us look at one of his, even those were classical, but what came into mainstream classical music. Sri Papanasham Shivan was very attached to Kapaleshwarar temple. During the Margazhi month, every day he used to do the bhajanai around the 4 Mada streets in the biting cold. He would start at about 4:30 or 4:45 in the morning, and for several hours he used to sing with the tambura, and it was a very famous gathering there with a few bhaktas following him. I have myself attended. I have myself sung a song in front of him. So those songs about Kapali and Karpukambal are very famous, and not only that, so many other songs. See, there is this song, Kapali, Kapali. Kapali, famous song. Then we have Kana Kan Kodi Vendum Kapaliyil Bhavani Kana Kan Kodi Vendum Kapaliyil Bhavani, a true Bhagayakara. Bhagayakara means one who has composed the song, the words as well as the music. Bhak Geya. Bhak na words, Geya is the music. Bhak Geyakara. So actually Shivan was known as the Tamil Tyagaraja. Some of his initial songs he has even modeled on Tyagaraja's kritis, like the earlier Manasuloni, the earlier one with the big Daivatam or Chatusruti Daivatam. Tyagaraja was like this. Manasuloni mamulu terusu ko. But later it became Manasuloni mamulu terusu ko. Shuddha Daivatam. Based on this, Shivan has sung a beautiful song. Tunai Purindarul Taruna Madhava, Tunai Purindarul Taruna Madhava, Surargal Nayaka, Ulaga Nayaka, Tunai Purindarul Taruna Madhava, Surargal Nayaka, Ulaga Nayaka, Tunai Purindarul. In this I have composed Chittaswaram. I was inspired by his music to compose a Chittaswaram. Just let us see the Chittaswaram and then we can go on to other songs. Gasama Gasa Nidanisa, Gasama Gama Nidanisa, Gasama Gasa Nidani, Gasa Nidamaga, Sanita Magama Nidamaga, Samagasa Nidanisa, Gasama Gama Nidanisa, Gasama Gasa Nidani, Gasa Nidamaga, Sanita Magamada, Madani, Danisa, Nidamani, Sagama, Gamada, Madani, Damagada, Nisaga, Sagama, Gamada, Tunai Purindarul. And there is a beautiful Naraval place here. Patita Pavana, Garuda Vagana, Patita Pavana, Patita Pavana, Garuda Vagana, Patita Pavana, Patita Pavana, Garuda Vagana, Patita Pavana, Garuda Vagana, Patita Pavana. Gamadani Sapatita Pavana, Dani Sanida Magaza, Gamadani Patita Pavana, Dadani Danida Magama, Mani Nida Mapatita Pa, different endings. Mani Nida Mapatita Pavana, which my guru Dr. M.L. Vasantakumari was famous for this, giving different endings. Sanida Patita Pavana. Samadani da patita pavana, Dani sani da patita pavana, Sagasani da patita pavana, Sagamadani da patita pa. So we can sing swarams very nicely. This ragam is now known as Varamu. Earlier it was known as Hindolam. Then somebody changed Hindolam to Shuddha Daivatam. But this is now known as Varamu. Sagamadani sani ramagasa. Dani da 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 dani da da madani mani da dani da maga. Gamada da da maga sa 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 maga sa sa ni da ni sa ga sa ni da ni sa ga ma ga sa ni da ni sa ga ma ga ga ma ga ga ma ga ma ga sa ni da ni sa ga ma da ma ga sa ni da ni sa ga ma ga sa ni da ni sa ga ma da da ga ma da ni ma da ni da ni sa sa ni sa ni ni sa ni ni sa ni ni sa ni sa ga ni sa ga sa ni da ga ma da sa ni da sa ga sa ni da ni sa ga sa ni da ni ga sa ni da ma da ni sa ga sa ni da ma da ni sa ga sa ni da ni sa ni da ma da ni sa ni da pa ti ta pa va da. Then there is this famous song Papanasham Shivan. கற்பகமே கண்பாராய் திருமயிலை கற்பகமே கருணை கண்பாராய் கற்பகமே கருணை கண்பாராய். So that is one of the beautiful songs of Shivan. Very soul-searching songs, full of bhava. What a lovely Madhyamavati. Coming to 20th century, there are ever so many composers in Tamil, and before that also. Earlier there was, of course, Gopalakrishna Bharati. How could I not mention him in this module? So important. Gopalakrishna Bharati. What a great composer, and he and Utkada Venkata Kavi, they have already perfected the Kriti form. Alaipayude kanna en manam alaipayude ullananda mohana vedugana madila alaipayude kanna en manam alaipayude ullananda mohana vedugana madila alaipayude kanna. நிலை பெயராது சிலை போலவே நின்று 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 நேரமாவதை யாமலே மிக வினோதமால முரளிதரா நேரமாவதறியாமலே மிக வினோதமால முரளிதரா எமனமலை பாயுதே கண்ணா. தெளிந்த நிலவு பட்ட பகல் போல் எரியுதே தெளிந்த நிலவு பட்ட பகல் போல் எரியுதே திக்கை நோக்கியில் இரு புருவம் நெறியுதே திக்கை நோக்கியில் இரு புருவம் நெறியுதே கனிந்த உன் வேணுகானம் காற்றில் வழிகுதே கனிந்த உன் வேணுகானம் காற்றில் வழிகுதே கனிந்த உன் வேணுகானம் காற்றில் வழிகுதே கண்கள் சொருகி ஒரு விதமாய் வருகுதே கண்கள் சொருகி ஒரு விதமாய் வருகுதே அனித்த மனத்தில் இருத்தி பதத்தை எனக்கு அளித்து மகிழ்ந்தவ ஒரு தனித்த மனத்தில் இணைத்து எனக்கு உணர்ச்சி கொடுத்து மகிழ்ந்தவ கடல் அலையினி கதிரவன் ஒளியின் இலையிரு கழலர கலித்தவா கதறி மனமுருகினான் அழிக்கவோ இதர மாதருடனே கழிக்கவோ இது தகுமோ இது முறையோ இது தரமானோ குழலூதிடும் பொழுது ஆடிடும் குழைகள் போலவே மனது வேதனை நிலவே காயுதே கண்ணா எல் மனமலை காயுதே ஆனந்த மோகன வேணுகானமது காயுதே கண்ணா. Further perfection was done by Trinity. So in Tamil Ishai, the Kriti form of Pallavi, Anupallavi and Charanam having different tune. That is Dhatu. 3 different sections instead of Kirtanam, which is Pallavi and 3 or 4 Charanams. So this 3, what shall I say, 3 Dhatus or 3 different tunes for Pallavi and Pallavi Charanam was already there with Utukada Venkata Subbaiah, Gopalakrishna Bharati, specifically to mention. So just let us see a little bit of Gopalakrishna Bharati's. In Nenneramum Devagandhari, I'll just show a little bit of the Charanam. Dishayengalum pugalum Shivagangayam Devashabayum Shivagami Darshanamum Dishayengalum pugalum Shivagangayam Devashabayum Shivagami Darshanamum பசி போடாது பார்த்த பேர்க்கு கலகர்கள் பருதிட பரிந்துளை பாடி கொண்டு என்னே ராமோ உந்தன் சந்நிதியிலே நான் இருக்க வேணும் ஐயா உன்னை என் நேர பொன்னம்பலம் சிதம்பர க்ஷேத்திரம் Nadarajar, Shivagami, what a beautiful mention it comes. Shivagami Darshanam. And Eneramumun Sannidhi. That is what he wants. And the famous song Varugalamu. How can we forget without mentioning Varugalamu? Of course, it is done a lot in dance, Manji Ragam, and that is in his opera. It is actually an opera. Nandanar Charitra. Let us just see that. what a moving song. Nandanar. He's asking Chidambaranadar, can I come there? Ayya, Ayya, can I come there? Can I do the darshan? This has also got sociological connotations because many people were not allowed into the temples in olden times. So this is even more a very soulful and a very, what shall we say, in that period, that song and the Nandan Charitram about Nandanar and how he was a laborer on the field, but he developed this bhakti. And he always said, I will visit the Chidambaram temple someday. ஒரு நாள் வரும் நான் போவேன் இந்த நந்தன் போவான் அப்படி. You know, there are so many dialogues. It has been made into films and operas also. The last, it comes like this. One of the lines, it comes like this. Kundan in one verse he says, Bhumiyil Ulayanaai Pirandene Oru Punniyam Cheyamal Irundene So we saw that beautiful song, a glimpse of the song of Nandanar, of Gopalakshmi Bharati. Of course, Oothukadu Kavi, Oothukadu Subramaniya Iyer, from that actual Oothukadu village, where there is a temple also for the Kalinga Nartana. It's a great bhakta. You have heard of many songs of Oothukadu. Just a sample here. Samanila Krishna Nirada Samanila Krishna Jaya 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 Nirada Samanila Krishna Nigama Gama Vimuta Bhava Bhaya Harana Charita. Sanskrit. He composed in Sanskrit and Tamil. Nigama Gama Vimuta Bhava Bhaya Harana Charita Nirada Samanila Krishna. What is this ragam? Marugelara. Definitely Tyagaraja may have been inspired by Oothukadu, isn't it? He's prior to Tyagaraja. That same ragam, Jayanta Sri. Here, you know, there is a beautiful place. It comes like this. The higher speed of Sahityam. You know, he used to play around with the Sahityams, Oothukadu Kavi, Oothukadu Venkata Kavi. Makara Kundala Dalita Makaniya Vesha Sakala Jana Muni Jana Samuka Manamoha Dara Kataka Tara Tara Dala Jwalita Jaya Taka Takita Taka Takita Taka Takita Taka Taka Madani Sada Gamadani Sagama Papa. He brings in the ragam also beautifully. For everything, it is that Krishna calling a Nartanar who's dancing in his dreams. And he wakes up with beautiful songs. That is the story of Utkada Kavi. And then more modern composers like Periyasamy Thuran, the most famous of his songs, and it was sung by many people, but you know, when MLV Amma sang it, it was so beautiful, and it is still very beautiful. Muralidhara Gopala Mukunda Shri Vaikunda Muralidhara Gopala Mandragam Karunakara Kamala Nayana Karunakara Kamala Nayana Karnila Mogil Varna Muralidhara Gopala 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 Muralidhara Gopala Muralidhara Gopala Muralidhara Gopala Mukunda Shri Vaikunda Muralidhara Gopala Mukunda Shri Vaikunda Muralidhara Gopala Karunakara Kamala Nayana Karunakara Kamala Nayana Karunakara Kamala Nayana Karunakara Kamala Nayana Karunila Mugil Malna Karunakara Kamala Nayana Karunila Mugil Malna Muralidhara Gopala உரியேந்திய திரள்வெண்ணையை திருடும் சிறு விரலால் உரியேந்திய திரள்வெண்ணையை திருடும் சிறு விரலால் உரியேந்திய திரள்வெண்ணையை திருடும் சிறு விரலால் இரியேந்திய ஹரிமாதமா இரியேந்திய ஹரிமாதமா திருமகள் வளர் திருமார்பா முரளிதரா And one of my favorite composers, Srimati Ambujam Krishna of the TVS family. Songs came to her naturally, but many a time she used to get the songs with a particular ragam, but she could not actually visualize it fully in the ragams. So she was so humble, Ambujam Krishna. She requested some musicians to, take her lyrics, beautiful lyrics, take her lyrics and tune them. Many tunesmiths have done the tunes. I was also fortunate to do quite a few of Ambujam Krishna's compositions. I had taken the Katla Ranjini Ragam and Om Namo Narayana. Of course, it is a very popular song. I'll just show a sample of that. In the final charanam, there is this beautiful Madhyama Kalam. I also sang Ragam and Swaram for this, and once after tuning this song in the 80s on the request of Ambujam Krishna, the first time I took the notation to my guru Srimati MLB Amma, and I showed it to her, I sang it and showed it. Then she said, "This is very nice, I'll sing it in concerts. I'll also give a cassette." So I was so proud. I went with fear and I came out with happiness. I told Srimati Ambujam also about that, and she was also very happy. Another song of Srimati Ambujam Krishna which I tuned was Ragamalika. I'll just show a sample. Shilambu Kunja Kunja Kannal Maldan Kayal Shilambu Kunja Kunja Kannal Maldan, and then it goes to some other ragas as a delightful Raga Malika. முருகனின் மறுபெயரழகு, முருகனின் மறுபெயரழகு, முருகனின் மறுபெயரழகு, அந்த முருகலில் மயங்குது உலகு, முருகனின் மறுபெயரழகு, அந்த முருவலில் மயங்குது உலகு, முருகனின் மறுபெயரழகு, அந்த முருவலில் மயங்குது உலகு, முருகனின் மறுபெயரழகு. புழுமைக்கு அவனொரு நிலவு, புழுமைக்கு அவனொரு நிலவு, புழுமைக்கு அவனொரு நிலவு, புழுமைக்கு அவனொரு நிலவு, நீ குமராயன சொல்லி பழகு, புழுமைக்கு அந்த முறுவலில் மயகுது உலகு முறுவலில் மறுபெயரழகு வேதங்கள் கூறினோம் மொழியே வேதங்கள் கூறினோம் மொழியே உயரேலோடு விளையாடும் எழிலே வேதங்கள் கூறினோம் மொழியே உயரேலோடு விளையாடும் எழிலே துறவியோ விரும்பிய துறவே துறவியோ விரும்பிய துறவே நீ துறவியாய் இல்லவிட திருவே துறவியோ விரும்பிய துறவே நீ துறவியாய் இல்லவிட மறுபெயரழகு அந்த முறுவலில் மயங்குது உலகு முருகின் மறுபெயரழகு. I would like to sing a Viritam. What is a Viritam? A Viritam doesn't have rhythm. It is usually after the Ragam Thanam Pallavi. There are the Tukudas. In those days they used to sing Viritam, Padam, Javali, Kavadi Chindu. And in Purandaradasa Sahitya, Dasa Sahityas of Haridasas, this Viritam is also known as Uga Bhoga. The name given by them is Uga Bhoga. And these Uga Bhogas were usually very philosophical. Same with our Viritams also. And when we talk about Tamil, that is a vast ocean. What about the Siddhar Padalgal? So many Siddhars have composed. Siddhars used to be even under the ground. And do you know that Mel Marvattur Amma, there is a beautiful shrine of Ambal. And there is a Swamiji there also. And it was Paramacharya, once when Paramacharya was coming to Madras, through that section, he said, please stop the vehicle. I want to go into that grove of trees. And Paramacharya went and sat there among a grove of trees. And he was meditating. Then he said, this was occupied by a great Siddhar. So, a Peetam should come up here. A Siddha Peetam should come up here. And according to his prediction, a Peetam has come there. Ambal Peetam has come, isn't it? So like that, so many Siddhars, Pambati Siddhar, and mari Siddhar Padalgal nariya irukku. And these Viritams also, beautiful Viritams. There are different types of Viritams, like on all the gods and goddesses. Then now we are not at all talking about Sanskritam, because what happened in Tamil Nadu, Tamil area, is Tamil outpourings naturally. What happened in Telugu areas? Telugu outpourings. Kannada, Kannada. Malayalam, so many. In Orissa, in the Odisha language, and also in Sanskrit. In North, Mirabai composing in Brij Bhasha. And so many people composing in Hindi. Kabir Das, Surdas. And then inspiration from Ramayana. So many things are there. Now I will just take some lines from Abhirami Andadi. Abhirami Andadi, about Tirukadayur. Tirukadayur is in Tanjavur district. Tirukadayur, the famous place, shrine, and the goddess is Abhirami. I will just show that the Viritam. Viritam is without rhythm. Composed by Abhirami Bhattar, Tirukadayur. Abhirami Bhattar's name was actually Subramanya Iyer, but then he was, such a great bhakta, and he broke out into songs like the Abhirami Andadi. Andadi means it is like a set of verses. So, கலையாத கல்வியும் குறையாத வயதும் கலையாத கல்வியும் குறையாத வயதும் ஒருகப்படு வாராத நட்பும் கன்றாத வளமையும் குன்றாத இளமையும் குன்றாத இளமையும் கழுபினிலாத உடலும் சலியாத மனமும் சலியாத மனமும் சலியாத மனமும் சலியாத மனமும் bravery சலியாத don't give up in any crisis on this earth. Even now we are having crisis, isn't it? We need shaliyada manam, such a strong heart facing any difficulties. Shaliyada manam, anbagalada manaiviyum, tabarada santanam. Shaliyada manamu bagalada manaiviyo tavarada santanamu taarada kirtiyum தாழாத கீர்த்தியும் மாறாத வார்த்தையும் மாறாத வார்த்தையும் மாறாத வார்த்தையும் தடைகள் வாராத கொடையும் மாறாத வார்த்தையும் தடைகள் வாராத கொடையும் தொலையாத நிதியமும் கோடாத போலும் ஒரு துன்பமில்லாத வாழ்வும் கோடாத போலும் ஒரு துன்பமில்லாத வாழ்வும் ஒரு துன்பமில்லாத வாழ்வும் துன்பமில்லாத வாழ்வும் துன்பமில்லாத வாழ்வும் வாழ்வும். Nobody should have any difficulties, no sorrow. That is the reason for all these outpourings, isn't it? Addressed to God. துன்பமில்லாத வாழ்வு. That is enough. On this earth, we must be happy. We must be fairly prosperous. Even here he has mentioned Kodai. Kodai means giving, charity. Should have good, a man should have a good wife. He should have obedient children. He should be able to do charity. So we were in this place. ஒரு துன்பமில்லாத வாழ்வும் துயனின் பாதத்தில் அன்பும் உதவி. At your feet, addressing Abhirami. It is all at your feet, Amma. துயனின் பாதத்தில் அன்பும் உதவி. பெரிய தொண்டரோடு கூட்டுகள் நாம் அலையாழி அருதுயிலும் மாயனது தங்கையே. அருதுயிலும் மாயனது தங்கையே. மாயனது தங்கையே ஆதி கடமூரின் வாழ்வே. ஆதி கடையூரின் வாழ்வே. அமுதீஷர் ஒரு பாகம் அகலாத சுகபாணி. அகலாத சுகபாணி அருள்வாமி அபிராமி. அருள்வாமி அபிராமியே. 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 Thank you.